we just got to Banjyo Taki. We're in the parking lot. Gonna take a walk down there. It's a very short walk down there. But we're at the camping site area. It's a nice camping site. Been here about 8 years ago. The only reason why I stopped coming here to this campsite was because no pets allowed. So that gave, didn't work too well with us. But it is a beautiful campsite. The showers though are coin. So we're gonna see. Anyways, we're gonna take a walk down there, take a look at the waterfall, and let's get on our way. Just arrived down the lower end of the Banjyo Taki area. Not many people come here. Right now it's really cold, but in the summertime, this is a super great place to let your dogs play. There's nowhere they can really run off to. The water's shallow. It's got some nice places for the dogs to run and play in. It's beautiful. I love this area. Right now, no leaves. It's cold, but it's a beautiful place. You can come hang out here. So I'm gonna let my dog play a little bit, and then we're gonna head back up to the car area. Okay, have some fun. Enjoy the drone shots. Okay. Well, just ran across this place coming back from the Banjyo Taki. So I ran across this place. It's a fishing farm, and it's for kids, and adults can do it too if they have fun. But I wanted to shoot it. It's on the way or on the way back if you want to take it. A few hours, have the kids enjoy some fishing at the fish farm. I talked with the owner. Pets are okay here. I assume it's probably small pets, not like my big ones. But they have a barbecue, a gas grill. You can catch them and eat them right there and enjoy it. Again, it's kind of cold right now. They are open today. I got permission to film it. So let's just take a quick glance at it. It's just small, but I think it'd be a fun place to enjoy. Let's take a look.